In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can remove a YouTube channel from your Google account. You can simply delete a YouTube channel from your Google account in just few simple steps. To do this, simply head into your Google account. On this page, tap on these three lines right here. Then scroll down onto the Settings option. On the Settings page, tap on this first option, then select your Info, Privacy, and Security. Head into your Data and Privacy. Then you will have to scroll down onto the Delete a Google server. On this page, select your YouTube right here. Then tap on the Delete button. You will have to select and agree on these options. Then tap on Delete My Content. Your all channel content will get deleted successfully. You can't undo this option. Before attempting to delete your YouTube, make sure to first secure and go through all your content before proceeding. That's how easy it is to delete your YouTube from your Google account. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.